Hey everyone, Joey here. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Christmas Eve to you. Hope you guys are taking care and going to enjoy your holidays here. Today is Christmas Eve, 12/24, and I'm up green, and it's really not by much at all. So this is practically just break even day. 21 bucks. It was a half day today, so very minimal trading for me. And actually, last night we had a cold front come through, and I guess my allergies got real bad. And because of it, I was like sneezing all last night and took some Benadryl. And because of that, kind of knocked me out. And this morning, I think this morning was actually the first time in a while I haven't gotten up before the market opened. And so I slept in just a little bit and actually got a late start on the day. And I think I got up at 10:30 or something Central Time. So, anyways, I opened up the market and was looking and seeing if anything was trading. And I want to go over with you kind of what I saw um, going back to see like what was trading earlier in the day. And I gotta say, it was there was two stocks, AIRT when I was looking. And to me, this is just kind of a joke because here we are right now it's up 293%, which is, it's huge movers, right? So, I guess when the market opened, this was something that maybe some people were eyeballing. Here's the problem is that there was not a ton of volume that this was traded on, it seems like, at least towards the beginning. And here's the real deal. To me, this really isn't even trading. When something moves this crazy, beyond, I don't know, 200%, and it's halting every time it opens and closes, it's just pointless. To me, this is truly like gambling here, because you have no say in your execution. So I look at this and I hesitate now, and I really don't trade these as much because it's really about trying to get in and just crossing your fingers and hoping that it opens higher and somehow you can execute your sell to get out of there. But it's so difficult because what happens here is it opens up, right? You didn't see it, it goes into a halt. So you're thinking, oh, I'm going to get into this. And it opens back up, and it opens up so fast and halts so quickly that maybe you couldn't buy to get in, right? Or maybe you did, and you got in, and then maybe you looked out and it ripped, much higher, but then you couldn't sell in time to get out of it. Then it goes into another hold that's going down. And to me, it's just you're getting stuck every time. And the fact that you have to wait 5 to 10 to 15 minutes on each halt to then wait for your next execution, I don't know. It's just a mess to me. And while that's cool that it's up, beyond 200%, good momentum, I guess, for the market, but I don't like trading it because you get stuck in it. I'd love to know if you traded this today, AIRT, or there's another one just like this. I think it's ADXN. Yeah, same thing here. I mean, super cool that it's, going that high. And when you really think about it, if you got into it, you could be a huge winner. Um, but it could be the other side as well. I mean, look at this. At its peak, if you, let's say you got in here thinking it was going to go higher and you went in big share size for yourself, right? You got in, it opened up, and you were waiting for the sell, and it just flashed up for a second. You didn't get a second you didn't get the right timing to sell. Then it halts going down. Okay, well, now you're holding it. Well, guess what? That thing opened up. Look, I mean, what? Freaking $8. in a split second down, that's horrible stuff. I mean, that's how you probably blow up accounts. I mean, I don't know. So, but then again, maybe you were lucky enough to get in on it. I think it's just too risky um, for me to trade that kind of stuff. And I have before in the past, and sometimes I've gotten lucky, but most of the time, you get screwed. So please let me know if you traded this one today as well. ADXN. I didn't trade any of those. It's great that it brings some momentum to the market, I guess, but to me, it's way too risky, too hard to get in and out. So what I did trade today, I just kind of sat back. I only had a few trades. First trade was on GEVO, GEVO, and I don't even know where I got the trade. I think I got a small little trade. Let me just backtrack for you. 12.10. Yeah, so I got in for a little move here. It was only like a $20 move, something. And, I didn't want to really trade that much today. I knew it was a half day. Definitely didn't want to go red, and I got very close to it. So, the rest of the trades I had were on ID. ID was the only one that was really showing, I think, strength and momentum here. Great move up. We did have 2 halts, and I think I got in after the second halt here for a couple trades. And let's take a look at the running balance here. This was my progressions through the trades today. I was up 22, then up 51, up 90 was my high, and then ended up working down. Bad trade went into 67, and then ending the day on 21. So really all the way up, all the way down. Kind of another wasted day in a sense. $20 up, really not much. Here's where I'm sitting on the entire journey. This does not look great. Here's the cash account, running balance. Open the margin account right here, and went negative 929. Got all the way up to 31.44, which was great, and then just botched it the rest of this week in the month and put it right in the hole. And so that's where I'm sitting, down 1583 on the month. Actually, no, that's for the whole trading journey. That's including November. So let's look at the calendar. Sitting 21 up today. This is the week here. So I'm sitting negative 2,408 on the week. And that puts me at 6 down, 654 on the month. And that's not good. But we do have 4 days left of December. So I just want to really try to recover and put just a little green on the table. Be great for a lot of green, but I don't want to get too risky with things. I've been skating on thin ice with these last couple days. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have been enjoying this channel, being honest with my trading journey here. So make sure to subscribe and like this if you're enjoying it. And also let me know in those comments if you traded today and what you traded. I'd like to see if you traded this AIRT, and if you went green, or if it killed you. Would love to know. Or the other one, ADXN, if you traded that, if you were greener, for it screwed you as well. So I shouldn't say as well because I didn't trade it, but yeah, if you went right on this. Anyways, that is it for now. You guys take care. Have an excellent Christmas. We'll see you on Monday of next week.